My sister just sent me a recipe that was, I guess it's from many years ago. I guess written in either my mom's handwriting or maybe my grandmother's handwriting. I'm not exactly sure, but it's on cards, and this recipe is probably 50 years old. I thought we would ask Chat GPT to help us clarify what the recipe says. So I'm just going to say these two images make up a recipe for Hacienda Hamburger. That's what my mom called it. Um, it's hard to read the old. Well, it's hard to read them because the recipe card is very old. Sorry, I don't type like super fast, especially when I'm trying to do this. But okay, it's hard to read them. Can you please read the images and compose the recipe? And that's really all it is. Okay, now I'm going to add upload from computer. I've got two images. The first one is 30. I'm going to upload that first. Hope that it looks at that one first. We'll see. 38 is the second one. It's the back of the old recipe card. And just for so you can see this, let me just show you real quick. This is what the recipe card looks like. So, no, you know that looks like my sister's writing, I think. Anyway, she's old too, so just kidding. But so it's not that's not my mom's writing or my grandmother's, my sister's. But it's old. It's from a long time ago. The other image looks like this. So that's the back. And she was like saying, "It's getting hard to read this. I need to rewrite it to preserve it." That's the whole point of this whole video is that we've got an old artifact here, and we're trying to get ChatGPT to help us do something with it. So that's it. ChatGPT has the two images. It is got my description, and I want the recipe off the cards. The two images are being read. Look at that. Can you guys see? Yeah, y'all can see that, right? Look at that. Wow. You know, I've seen this stuff so many times, and it's still amazing to me. Anyway, so now I'm going to take that recipe over here to messages to my sister, and I'll say, Chat GPT read in the images. Here's your recipe. Kaboom. Oh, look, it's going to mess it all up. Yeah. No, it's all right. Yeah, there you go. Chat GPT read it. Yeah, we'll have to go back and look and make sure it didn't make any mistakes, but it looks pretty good. I mean, in this image, it said Hacienda Ham, brown 1 PD of ham until pink gone. So if we go back to the, where's chat? In a large skillet, cook the hamburger over medium heat until the pink is gone. It's pretty amazing. All right, just wanted you guys to see that you can take something that from years ago, have ChatGPT look at it, and it can make something new from it. Anyway, or I guess, anyway, it achieved our goal of giving us the recipe from the cards without my sister having to rewrite it. That was it. Talk to you later.